Having completed his training on Banana Island, Chase is moving on.
Well, I've sure learned a lot here on Banana Island.
But also, more fun to watch some movies after the episode was over.
It's been fun training with you, Chase.
You've learned a lot of new skills here, Chase. That should help in the search for your friends.
Thanks again for all your help. Chef John, Coco, it's been fun. Yeah.
And if you run into trouble, this guidebook will help. See the seal of the hot pepper? It's an underground society that helps the rebel movement. You can keep that.
My dad told me about the hot peppers. His name is Chef Jack. Maybe you've heard of him.
The name sounds vaguely familiar, I guess. Is he a master chef?
Yeah.
I see.
Well, I'm gonna get going. Take care! Bye! Good luck climbing, everybody! I hope we meet again, Chase. Looks like smooth sailing, huh?
Ouch! I really hope Bakumaru is okay after he was hit by the waves.
Wow, that was sooner than I expected. Do you need a hand? No, I'm okay. Just practicing my landing.
I see. Well, you might want to keep working on that. Somewhere else.
Chase's pump pals are now on the prowl to find their Gormanizer Center. Track them down in Shrimp City and treat them to a 5-course catastrophe.
That's my specialty.